Good news is I made more progress on the front door today. Bad news is Elias played in the mud and now he's cold and fussy and I have a lot of muddy clothes to wash by hand. Elias, turn around so I can see you, buddy. You are a muddy mess. This is so funny. Look over here. Somebody made this and put it where our toilet's gonna go. It's fake poop out of mud. Oh, that's hilarious. Good job, babe.
Okay.
Babe, look at all you've got done.
I know.
So this here is the guest bathroom on the first floor, right? So what's the really big pipe? That's what comes out of the toilet?
Mm-hmm. That's poop pipe.
Poop pipe. And the skinny pipe is?
Vent pipe. That's vent pipe.
Vent pipe. Okay. Vent pipe. What's the next pipe over?
Vent pipe.
Vent pipe. Okay.
Vent pipe.
And then what's this one?
Vent pipe. Vent pipe.
Those are all vent pipes?
Vent pipes.
So everything
All
that
it
gets...
is that we're tying together is a vent pipe to allow any type of fixture down low to be able to funnel down. Right.
Okay, so anything that gets water has to also have a vent pipe.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Elias? We are at the store buying plumbing materials. Cart is full. We got all this stuff. And we've still got lots more to get. Wish us luck. Okay, so I just got home from my family's house. We had Thanksgiving today, so I've been in Ohio for the majority of the day. And I come home and James has been working a lot on the plumbing. So I'm actually gonna take the phone from him and I want you to give us a tour of the plumbing and everything you got done today.
I work in slippers.
Did you really wear your camo slippers all day?
Yep.
In this cold? It's been in the 30s all day. It's been cold. All right, so show us what you've done.
As you can see here, one of my mistakes, because I'm no plumber, is I've got my drain pipe on this side, which is okay. And I got my P-trap down here. But my water hookups are right here, which is right over top of the P-trap. So it's a good thing I'm not using copper and I'm using PEX because luckily it'll wrap right around that P-trap. But that is a beginner's mistake. So you would want to keep your P-trap on the opposite side of your water line so you can actually route your water lines to it.
Makes sense. Okay.
So this is my poop pipe right here for the upstairs bathroom.
Oh, okay, for the boys' bathroom.
Yeah, and you can see I got another pipe angled away from it. This is a vent here. It's also got my sink attached to it. It also has a shower attached to it. Seems like, I don't know if it'll work. We'll find out.
We'll find out when we go to take a shower and the water doesn't drain, I guess.
Coming into the master here.
Okay, master bathroom.
So that's the drain there. This is the drain.
Perfect.
Right there. No, yeah, pretty easy. Right here we got another little vent. This is an 1.5 inch vent because this is all this is going to be for is this tub that's supposed to be here.
This is my standalone bathtub right here.
I didn't cut it in yet because I don't know where the drain's going to be at, but it should be easy enough to do after everything's finished.
Yeah.
We got another pipe over here. This is a vent for this toilet. This right here is a vent going up, and I tied in my toilet vent and this tub vent into it. And I have an 1.5 inch here, and I just adapted it to 2 inch.
Oh, I see.
Probably overkill for how many vents I got in the house, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Up here, look right here. This is that toilet upstairs,
Oh, yeah.
and this is the vent right here going up.
Okay.
And hopefully I don't have any issues. Like I said, I'm not a plumber. This is kind of all more or less guesswork for me. So probably those who might be watching would think, yeah, that's not how you do it, but Just let me know if you think it'll work or not. Preferably before the drywall's up.
You have a lot of confidence in your plumbing work, babe.
And then this is a vent slash drain. I'm actually going to use, it's going to be called, it's like, I guess it's a wet vent, but this shower right here will drain into it as well as vent it. But the sink upstairs will actually drain in it as well.
Okay.
That is a poop pipe.
Poop pipe, okay.
This right here is the vent for that poop pipe, and it ties in to this, which is the vent for the sink.
Okay.
Which then goes up over to here to the outside wall. You don't really want to do that, but we had no choice here unless we wanted to pad out a wall upstairs. So that goes up the outside wall for only about 4 feet, and then it actually goes up into my attic.
We don't really have any lights up here, so you're probably not going to be able to see much, so we'll make this quick.
So there's a drain for my sink.
Okay,
This is the one that's hooked into the shower vent.
okay,
It goes up into the attic, where I'll have to tie it all together to take it out the roof.
okay,
This is a vent for the toilet.
And there's the
toilet pipe.
okay,
This is the tub.
okay,
This is a vent for the tub,
okay.
and that's all tied in together underneath.
What's this event for right there?
This is a vent for the washer, the sinks.
On the first floor.
Yeah. And then over here is another vent going up the wall, the one we were talking about.
Oh yeah, the one that goes into the attic.
This right here. And so that's gonna come up there, and we're gonna angle it up, go straight across and straight out.
Okay. Ah.
So.
You look like a murderer. That's scary. Ew. What is that for?
Sink.
Oh, sink.
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 Putting the last couple pieces of pipes in to drain into our high wall septic line here. It's our ejector pump. I'm about ready to glue in this section right here. I got it temporarily propped up with some extra Romex I had laying around. So we got about 44 inches there. We need to have an 1.5 inch drop. This is a 6 foot run. So we're at 41.5. I need to go up about 1 inch. So I have about 98.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another piece and cut it at 94 inches. And I'm then going to go ahead and dry fit everything to make sure it works before we glue it. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. I need to fix it. So I was going to try to 45 it in to get some momentum, but as you can see, it's way out of line, and we eventually want to build a wall underneath this. So I am going to back it off this way, put a 90 in it, and 90 back down with 2 sweeps. It should be plenty, but yeah, I don't like the way that is, so I'm going to put the 90s in it. Okay, this is what I want it to look like. That actually wasn't so bad. But I think we've done good. That's decently straight, not perfect, but I can build a wall on that. So I'm not a plumber, I'm not an electrician, not a builder, but anybody can throw some primer and glue and put some pipes together. And just remember, it's got to go downhill.
Good morning. So the boys wanted to take a four-wheeler ride, so here we are. We're going to take a ride around the farm, and then we're going to go over to the house to see what the guys are working on. James doesn't work today, but fortunately it's a beautiful day in November. It's 61 degrees outside. So James's dad and his uncle, and I think they've got two other guys working with them on the roof. So I hope they get a lot done, because when James gets home and he sees progress on the roof, he'll be really, really happy. So here we go. Beautiful in our woods today, absolutely beautiful. So this is the current process with the roof. We have the front done, and then this side is done going to where the breezeway is, and then they're working on the back today. And it's really hard to tell from here, but some of the roof on this side of the house is done as well. I just can't get a high enough vantage point to really show it. The guys are working on the roof, and the boys are playing in the dirt pile. Lots of progress on the back of the house. So this part here is done. Some of this over here is done, and now they're working on the roof to the 3 Seasons room. All right, I'm working on the door again today. So it is almost dark. It is 5:30. James just got home from work, and he went straight over to the house to work on stuff. So I'm going to take the boys over so we can see what James's progress is on the plumbing.